Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious drink that is so hydrating. It has electrolytes and it will actually help you lose weight. And it's so simple to make. You just put everything in a blender with water and you are ready to go. So let's get started. So for the base, we're going to use 6 cups of water. You can use more if you want. I like to use half of this water right here, and then half of this water right here. So 3 cups from each. Now, this is not the only liquid that you can use. If you don't have coconut water, you can use milk, and if you don't have milk, you can use water. But the coconut water does add a lot of flavor and it's a good source of potassium, so it's really good if you're exercising or it's hot outside. So I like to use coconut water. Now, for the flavor, we're gonna use 1 cup of berries, that could be mixed berries or your favorite berry. And I am gonna show you some other options of what you can use for flavoring in just a second. For the sweetness, I'm gonna use 20 drops of stevia, berry-flavored stevia. Now I do have a 1-gallon size of this. I just wish they had a smaller size, because I do want to use a lot of this at one time. So I bought 2 of these smaller bottles of the berry-flavored stevia, and I just put them together into this bigger bottle. Now you can use monk fruit. You can use another one of your favorite sugar alcohols, or you can even use just regular sugar if you want. This recipe is not for everyone. It's really just for people that want to add a little bit of sweetness to their drinks. But if you don't like the sweetness, you can always just skip this ingredient and move on to the next one. For the lemon flavor, I'm gonna use 2 lemons. You could use limes. I've done that before. And for the zest, I'm gonna use about 1 inch of fresh ginger. Now the ginger does add a little bit of sweetness, but it also adds a lot of great health benefits. And then for the ice cubes, I like to use a silicone ice tray so I can get these giant size ice cubes. These are like the normal size, but I like the giant ones because they last longer and they dilute your drink less when they melt. Okay, now we have our water, we have our berries, we have our stevia. We're going to add the lemons. Let us add the ice cubes and then I am going to show you what you can add for extra flavor. So you could just leave it like this and it's going to taste delicious. But if you want more flavor, you can add things like cucumbers, you can add watermelon, you can add pineapple, mango. You can pretty much add any of your favorite fruits and it's still going to taste amazing. But today I'm going to add 1/2 of an avocado because avocados are so hydrating. They are a great source of potassium. They're high in fiber and they're also high in healthy fats. So I'm going to add 1/2 of an avocado today. Okay, now we're going to blend this and then I'm going to show you the finished product. Okay, so once it's all blended, this is the finished product. I'm going to pour it into my favorite water bottle. I love these. They keep my drinks cold for hours. So this is a great water bottle if you're looking for one. So I'm just gonna pour it right into here and I am ready to hydrate. So this drink is so hydrating. It's perfect for after a workout. It's perfect for when it's hot outside. It's perfect for any time you need to replenish your electrolytes. And this does have electrolytes from the coconut water and from the berries. Berries are a great source of electrolytes. So it's really good for you to consume these. The lemon adds vitamin C, it also adds a nice tartness to the drink. And the ginger adds a nice little kick to it. It's not too spicy. It's just a nice little tingle on the back of your throat. And the avocado makes it nice and creamy. It adds a little bit of thickness to it. And of course, the ice cubes make it nice and refreshing. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video.